Hey guys, it's Mike from GWA Auto Parts, and today we're here with the AA Ignition Replacement AC Blower Motor with Fan. This AC Blower Motor with Fan is for the Buick LaCrosse, Chevy Impala, Chevy Monte Carlo, and Pontiac Grand Prix, ranging from 2004 to 2016. What your AC blower motor with fan does is this produces the air that goes through your car's vents when your AC or heat is on. Commonly, if you're getting power to the system, but your AC or heater isn't producing or circulating the cold or hot air it should, you could have an issue with the blower motor and fan. Additionally, if your motor and fan turn on, but there is grinding or rubbing noise, this could be the issue. This replacement AC blower motor and fan has a redesigned motor for increased life, has the OEM electrical connector, and already has the fan bolted in place. While this is not a genuine OEM part, it is a direct OEM replacement thanks to the necessary mounting locations. Installation on these is pretty simple. First, locate your existing blower motor and fan under the passenger side dash. Remove the necessary screws, unplug the electrical connector, and remove the unit. Replace in reverse order. 2 tips should you be doing this yourself. Always unhook your battery when working on anything electrical, and it is advised to replace your blower motor control relay with a new one should that have been damaged as well as your previous motor. If you have any questions about this replacement AC blower motor and fan, please reach out to us anytime. We're glad to help.